Hey, what's up and welcome to my channel. So I just wanted to make a quick video because I am super excited about my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which should be arriving tomorrow on the 22nd of July. So my pre-order has shipped. I got an email this morning about 7:30. The first one was from DPD saying that they have received a package from me and that is working its way through their delivery system. And then I got another email from Samsung directly after that, a couple of minutes after that actually, which basically said your order is on its way, gave me an order number, and it basically said we are pleased to confirm your order has left our warehouse and is with our courier partners for delivery. You will receive a text message from our courier partners containing your delivery day and again on the delivery day itself to confirm a time slot for your delivery, with updates to rearrange or provide further instructions. Now, my experience with DPD has been really good. They normally text you and give you like an hour as to when they're going to come and deliver it, and I know the local guy who delivers to me anyway, so I'm normally first on his deliveries. So I'm hoping it should be with me tomorrow morning between 10 and 11 a.m. So super excited, can't wait for that. But yeah, I mean, what I actually ordered was a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. I used the code to get free Samsung Galaxy Buds free, so excited to try those out. I got £100 off by using the PayPal code, and I also got £50 off for signing up to the mailing list. I think it was a couple of weeks before the showcase, and there was a thing you sign up for and you can get £50 voucher off. So in total my discount was £150, so down from the total price of £1,799 down to £1,649. So still quite expensive for a phone, but I'm upgrading from a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I bought that phone in 2018, maybe 2019. So we're talking a good 6-7 years since I've upgraded my phone. And yeah, that thing is definitely in need of an upgrade. So yeah, just thought I'd let people know that in the UK, my pre-order for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has shipped, and it should hopefully arrive on Tuesday, the 22nd of July 2025. So I cannot wait to get stuck in, do a nice little unboxing video and try out some of the cases that I've bought. But I would love to know the situation for people in the UK and around the world, so please let me know in the comments if your order of a Galaxy Z Fold 7 has shipped. Please leave a comment on the video, and with that I shall see you guys on the next one. Cheers.